Welcome! Today we'll analyze a queuing theory problem involving Dr. Winston Martin's allergy injection practice. We'll calculate important metrics like average wait times, system capacity, and nurse utilization. Let's start by understanding the setup. Patients arrive at an average rate of 6 per hour following a Poisson distribution. Each patient requires an injection that takes an average of 8 minutes following an exponential distribution. There is one nurse providing injections. Let's calculate our basic parameters. Lambda, our arrival rate, is 6 patients per hour. Mu, our service rate, is 7.5 patients per hour since each patient takes 8 minutes or 1/7.5 of an hour. This gives us rho, our utilization factor, of lambda divided by mu, which equals 0.8 or 80% utilization. This is an m/m/1 queuing system, since we have Poisson arrivals, m, exponential service times, m, and one server, 1. Let's calculate key performance metrics. Let's calculate L, the average number of patients in the system. For an m/m/1 queue, L equals rho divided by 1 minus rho. Plugging in 0.8, we get L equals 4 patients on average in the system. Now let's find W, the average time a patient spends in the system. Using Little's law, W equals L divided by lambda. This gives us 40 minutes on average per patient. Let's calculate LQ, the average queue length, which equals L minus rho, giving us 3.2 patients. And WQ, the average wait time in queue, equals LQ divided by lambda, giving us 32 minutes. For an m/m/1 queue, we can calculate the probability of having n patients in the system. P of n equals rho to the n power times 1 minus rho. For example, the probability of having no patients is 20%, 1 patient is 16%, and 5 or more patients is about 33%. What if we add a second nurse? This changes our system to an m/m/2 queue. Our new utilization factor would be lambda divided by 2 mu, or 40%. This significantly reduces wait times and queue lengths, but increases cost. In conclusion, queuing theory helps us understand and optimize healthcare operations. For Dr. Martin's practice, we found that the current single-nurse system operates at 80% utilization, with average wait times of 32 minutes. Adding a second nurse would reduce utilization to 40% and significantly improve patient experience, but at additional cost. These insights help inform staffing decisions.